Alrighty. Hi guys. So we are going to be looking at an example here to find the circumference of this fancy dandy little circle. Now, see those big cap letters there saying round to the nearest tenth? Well, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to highlight that because, we tend to forget about things like myself. So I'm going to highlight it there in case I forget. It's going to be standing out and it hopefully will help me remember. So I have a circle and it's giving me a radius that is equal to 4 inches. And it's asking me to find the circumference. Now remember, we have two formulas. Although it's the same exact one, it varies a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and write these two formulas down really quickly. So for circumference, we have circumference equals pi times the diameter, or we have circumference equals 2 pi times r. Now, if you look at your circle, you're given the radius. Now, it's pretty easy to find the diameter if we just multiply that radius times 2. But I don't want to overcomplicate my life right now, so I'm going to go ahead and stick with the simple. Now remember, you can do it whichever way you prefer. I'm going to do it the way that's easier, or I think is easier. Okay? So I have a little r right here, and I have another r right here. So let's just say goodbye to this guy here, and we are going to simply focus on this formula. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to rewrite it since that's the formula I'm going to be using. I have circumference equals 2 times pi times r. Okay? Now, based on my circle, I only know what r is equal to. I know my radius is equal to 4 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and take that 4 and replace it with the r on the formula. So now I'm going to go ahead and rewrite again. Circumference equals 2 pi times 4. Now parentheses are totally optional, and after this point there's multiple ways that you can solve it. Okay, some people will go ahead and take 2 and 4, multiply them together and get c equals 8 pi. Again, I don't want to overcomplicate my life, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the handy dandy calculator. Okay, I'm gonna bring this into screen so that we can see. So I have 2 pi times 4. So let's type that into the calculator. We got 2 times pi times 4. And I get that long number over there. So let's just write it down over here on the left side of my screen. We got c equals 25.13274,123. Okay, but remember, it was telling me to round to the nearest tenth. So my 10th place would be the 1. I don't have to round up since the number next to it is not equal to or bigger than 5. And there we go. That is not a nice looking one. So let's just try to fix him really quickly. Okay, that's not any better. But anyways, 25.1 inches. Okay, don't forget about your units. They are very important. And that's it. Let's just make this a little pretty over here. I'm going to go ahead and X out of my calculator so that you can see the full screen again. Okay, so we went ahead and we took what was given to us, r equals 4 inches. We use this formula, c equals 2 pi r, and we literally just replace r with the number 4 because that's the value of the radius, and we multiplied everything together to get this beautiful number of 25.1 inches. Okay, if you have any questions, just go ahead and put a comment or just reach out to any of us, okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.